Hi, how you doing? So earlier today, I recorded a video showing how to do keyword research using vidIQ. And now I want to take that video, I've put it on social media already, and I want to put it onto YouTube. So that means I need a YouTube description, and I need hashtags, and I need a thumbnail. I need an eye-catching thumbnail. So um, I want to show you how I'm looking to do this kind of as of now. And one thing I haven't tested before, I'm going to test that with you now. And what I'm really keen on here is using AI. When I had my search engine optimization business, I used to hire a team. I had a team in India that did all sorts of things for me. It was really good. But nowadays, I think, or I did a lot of it myself. And I think now things are getting so amazing now with what you can do with AI, even with AI agents. So let me show you what I'm doing. So the first thing is, right, I need to create a description. Uh, so if you go to a website called Descript, Descript, Script.com, Descript.com, you can get a free account. You can get so many minutes for free. And what it does is it transcribes for you. So I did this to save you waiting, although to be fair, it only took a minute anyway. But you upload your video and there you go. Look, you get your text. Um, and you know who's saying what. So I'm going to copy all of this, that's the whole transcript. And we're going to copy. Now, I normally use ChatGPT, but there's two on the market now. DeepSeek has become very popular, the Chinese one, and also Qwen. There's one called Qwen, Qwen, and Qwen apparently is like the most intelligent out of all of them. But DeepSeek has some really good concepts, so really good processes, like logic, working things out. So let's do a new chat. And I'm going to say, hey, can you please take this transcript and turn it into a YouTube description? Can't spell transcript, mind. Transcript, and turn it into a description for YouTube with a link to HTTPS. Well, let's just make sure. This is what I always do with domains. Get your AI sidehustle.com. This is the business we're going to be working on. If you're looking for an extra $1,000 a month, this is the one we're going to be using as kind of the case study. And you can use all of my marketing. I don't mind. I'm sure Eric will agree. Right. So can you take this transcript and turn it into a description for YouTube with a link to that website and include hashtags. Hashtags for me, please. Okay. So we're pasting. Done. Silly man. So now I need to go and get this again, right? So here's my transcript, copy into DeepSeek, told it what I want it to do, give it the transcript. We click that and it's thinking about it. If you turn on this DeepThink R1, it talks you through what it's doing and it will say the user has asked me to look at a transcript. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that good? So I'm happy with that, just having to read through as it was coming up. And he's talking about vidIQ, which is good. Maybe I should have put a link to vidIQ, but I haven't. So I will take that, and there's my YouTube description. Now I need a thumbnail, right? And I haven't used this before. This is the new bit. So if I come back to vidIQ, which is lost on my desktop somewhere. I know it's there. I know it's there. There it is. Right. So we come back to vidIQ. Quickly analyze your video without uploading. So I'm going to put that video in. We'll see what it comes up with. Look at this, guys. It's freaking amazing. I take it it's going to use one of these then, rather than create an AI image. Designing thumbnails. So the thumbnail is important because when people are looking on YouTube and they're scrolling through, you want something that's fairly sort of eye-catching. So they come and have a look. I mean, man, it almost even looks a little bit like me. It's got more hair. Customize thumbnails by describing anything you'd like to see. These AI video, 100 daily visits, traffic surge. Look at that. I think that's a good one. I'm going to use this one. I like this one. But it says describe any design changes you'd like. I don't think I'm gonna make it say web visits. 100 website visits. Make changes. That will obviously make the design smaller. So I might go to that traffic surge. I like that. And these are the sort of things you can do on a Sunday afternoon if you work during the week. 100 website visits. What do you think? Yeah, it's better or worse? I'm gonna think. I think it's a toss-up between that one and that one. What do you prefer? Let me know in comments which one you prefer. AI video, I don't think it's quite right because it's me on camera. I like that one. And I like that one because that will appeal to a lot of people. Right, so how do I download it? Oh, there you go, download. So we'll download that, save as. I'll call it the name now, 100 website visits, search. So, right, okay, so number one, I want to put this on social media with this video. So I will do that. Okay, but for now, we're going to put the video on YouTube. Let me show you this. So we go to YouTube, select file to upload. It's that one there. So I want my description. Okay, there you go. Title is going to be that. So that means I don't need it in the description as well. Just the way I do it, you could copy and paste them in separately. It's entirely up to you. Your choice. Okay, so that's all good. Now I want to upload a thumbnail. That'll be from downloads. So there's my thumbnail. Click open. Okay, is it a playlist? Affiliate marketing will do. Okay, I might make it about power lead system. I might create a new one, other videos that I'm going to make. No, it's not made for kids. Show more. And the reason why I do show more is I want to put my tags in, which are my hashtags. So if I go back to DeepSeek, take these, I can copy those. Now, YouTube apparently don't use these as much unless it's not sure what the video is about. This is one of my tags. Oh, maybe they're all too long. Yeah, it's doing them all too long. So it depends how you want to do this. There must be a way of putting those all in. Copy, paste. Now, there's my video link. File name is a bit. I wish I'd changed the file name. Actually, apparently it's a tip if you change the file name. to what the video is about. Apparently it helps. I don't know if that's true. I'm going to put vidIQ next. Copy, because it is about vidIQ. And then we're going to go YouTube SEO. Copy. What was that one? I tried to drag it. Oh no, I don't want that. That's fine. Right. Like I say, guys, I've realized I've been living in a cave. Everything you can do now. Entrepreneurs make money online. They're good. So we'll do digital marketing. We'll do power lead system was in there as well, wasn't it? Lead system. System. Other one. Make money online. Everybody does that. Size was online business. AI videos, recurring income, content creation. I think that's really relevant to what I'm doing. Content creation. Should be able to just paste them all in. Anyway, it's English. Cool. I don't need to know that. Okay. One little tip, apparently, if you put the year, you get more views because YouTube kind of knows it's more current, So you could put in 2025. Okay, that might help. Okay, so there we go. We've got a nice thumbnail. We've got a nice description, all done. Okay, from AI. So now we're going to go video elements. Do I want to add subtitles? It will work those out after anyway, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, then I'm going to add to an end screen. So yeah, we'll have an end screen and it's going to be one video with a subscribe. What video do I want? I want my most recent upload. So when I get to the end of the video, they get offered to subscribe to my channel and they see my last video, other than this one, obviously. So we'll do that and we will click save. Okay, and promote related content during your video. No, I'm not going to. Well, let's see how this works. Again, I'm like a dinosaur with this. I just tend to be a social media guy. Select a type of card. Right, so a video. Oh, I see. So I can promote a channel, a video, or a playlist. Well, I don't want to do that in this case, right? I don't want to do that in this case, but next time I might put Master Plan affiliates on. We've created a channel for that. And this video is going to go on there. So, right, so we click next. It's doing its checks. Okay, click next. It's going to be public because I want everybody to see it. I don't want to schedule it, but again, on a Sunday afternoon, you could knock 5, 6, 7 of these out. So you could do your week's content in one go, as it were, especially if you're out at work or whatever. So we'll click publish. I'm going to copy that link. Okay, I want to share it to Facebook. And then I'll go back to DeepSeek. Remember my beautiful description. I'll take it with the hashtags as well in this case. There we go. That's the key. Share. Now, the clever of you will have noticed as well that I've turned one video into another piece of content because I'm now sharing with you how I'm using that piece of content. It's another tutorial that my target audience, affiliate marketers, network marketers, are really interested in seeing. So I hope you found this useful. It's probably going on a bit longer than I intended because of this, but you're going to see me do, I will do the same process on this video to get this video on YouTube. See you on the next one. Cheers, guys.